A lot of you might not have known this, but on our BTS bracket, there's a top plate, and this is the top plate here. And then there's a back piece here that attaches to a power tank bracket. And these go to the stock roof bolts. But there's a molle panel on the top. And molle is an attachment system that's based on a 1 inch by 1.5 inch webbing system. And I'm going to put a bag here. So it's a nice spot to store stuff. I'm going to have a zipper. I'm going to put a bag here, and I'm going to show you how this pattern that we've developed works. So you know how to put your molle bags on this. There are two little holes, there are two grooves here, and then two and two, and in between there's a wide 1 inch wide solid piece of steel. That's where the cross webbing should go. All right. So if you line it up there, and then here I've put this back piece on already. I started at the top, came up, down, and then it snaps at the bottom. Well, here I can't start up here because there's steel up here. So I'm going to start this one here. And so the two holes here are for a down and up location. And then this is going to go through the strap in the bag. Okay, that's my 1 inch wide webbing. And again, goes down the first groove and up the second groove. And then I can, again, go into the 1 inch wide strap, which lines up with this 1 inch wide solid piece of steel. And I just keep doing that until I run out of webbing. And it's a really secure way of attaching bags, things. And I'm gonna go probably one more. Let's see, I've got enough webbing for it. Down. So I've got so many pieces going up and down that it's kind of locked in, but I think I can make it one more time and before I snap it down. So now I'm going to bring it up and see how much webbing I have. I'm going to bring the seat down so I can reach under here. Okay, I've got just enough where I can get this in here and snap it. So now that's on, and I've got a bag that I'll never lose.